Okay, hello everyone. This is Charles Harper, and this is episode 4 of the PLR show. What we're going to do today is we're going to continue to work on our WP Coursify. Just to recap, what we're doing is we're installing this in a subdirectory of the actual domain. And if you recall, one of the things that we're doing, I'm just going to kind of show you this briefly. I have decided to leave. I want to have Harper Academy to have a front page that uses optimized press, and that just gives me a little more flexibility in terms of being able to change this page and then to be able to change the options. And one of the things that I did within the last day or so is I became part of their club. Again, I'm not trying to sell you on this. I know there are a lot of systems of themes, but I want to outline, sort of what we're doing. Um, the club page allows me, and I'm gonna log into here, so you can see it. It just allows me some more flexibility in terms of being able to get to themes that I can kind of change up for the front page, right? And if I go here into the club, and again, this is a monthly charge. So again, I know sometimes, no one's really interested in, uh, in monthly fees, so to speak. And I do get that. I'm doing this mainly because it does give me some flexibility with the actual theme. And I do want to show you a few of these if Optimized Press is going to cooperate. It seems like it's kind of their site's moving kind of slow today. So while that's loading, okay, here we go. Maybe you'll get a chance to see some of the themes that they have available. You may even recognize some of them over time. Okay, okay, yeah. So you get to see some of the themes, and so basically any of these I can use as long as I'm part of the club, and I can put those on the front page. And I want to be able to have that flexibility when people come to the front page. But I do want to show the courses in their own domain. And so right now, we have WP Coursify installed in a separate WordPress installation inside of Harper Academy /courses, right? And so this is the theme and the plugin as of this moment, right? So I think what we're going to do is we're going to install some settings today, which hopefully this will help us to add to the look of what this is going to eventually be. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and I think we're going to use the WordPress importer, and let's go inside of the tools, and then let's go inside of import, and we're going to run the importer. And then I think that we can grab the settings here. It's Coursify installation. And we've already done the XML document. What we need to do are the JSON documents, right? So let's go ahead and import those. Let's see, maybe that's not what we're supposed to do here. So let's go back, and we'll grab the guide, we'll grab the installation guide so we can take a look at it. So if you've been running into some of these issues, then maybe this will help you if you've been trying to install WP Coursify. Okay, so all right, so we've installed the plugin, we've installed the import data, and so now we need to install the JSON file. So let's see how we do that. Okay, so we should be able to tools, import, install, upload file, install. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that again. Let's look at that one more time. Okay, that's the JSON file. That's what we're doing. Okay, so there appears to be an error of some kind. So we're going to have to get a hold of the developer, and we're going to have to work through this. Right. So this is what this does happen, folks. So if you've been trying to do this, then maybe you've run into this problem. And so I'm going to reach out to, I think it's Encore or his support team, and then we'll find out about step 8 here, right? Because that's where we're at. It seems as if we can't move on, and we do really want to have these options, because that's going to make it a lot easier to kind of get this working. Now let's make sure that we have the right file. Okay, we do have the pro package, right? So that should work appropriately. We've got the theme installed. We've got, okay, so we're going to reach out to Encore about this and then find out, sort of what's going on. So let's just go to JVZoo, and then we'll find Coursify. And then let's see. Got this here. Where's his support? Okay, support desk has moved to this new location. Okay, so let's submit a ticket. And let's see, where's WP Coursify? There we go. And we'll say it's technical. JSON file isn't importing. With the Pro Edition, and so copy and paste your purchase receipt. So we'll do that. So they need that. And then I guess we should attach the JSON file, right? So we'll attach that. 67955. And then we'll submit. Okay, so it won't let us do that. So we're going to have to zip this file. We're going to have to zip that file up in order to send it. So you're not going to let us just upload it as is. No worries. We will just go in. We will zip this file. That's the one that we're having the trouble with. And we'll submit. Okay, so I'll go through the confirmation process off the screen. Okay, so that's what we did for today, and then hopefully we'll hear back from Encore about that, and then we'll move on to the next phase of the installation. Are there any questions on anything we did today? Right, we're at about 10 minutes. Not making my goal of 5 minutes, but everything we did today we had to do. So any questions? Anyone else run into this issue and you're trying to install WP Coursify? Okay, if you did, then hopefully this will help you to work through it. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them here. Thanks and have a great day.